In this video, you'll learn how to delete your account on Binance. This process involves several steps to ensure that your account is properly closed and that all funds are secured before deletion. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once you're logged in, locate your profile icon, which is usually found in the upper right corner of the interface. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu and then select Profile Settings from the list. This will direct you to the settings page where you can manage your account information. Next, navigate to the Security or Account Management section within the profile settings. Here, you will find various options related to your account. Look for the option labeled Close Account or Delete Account. It is crucial to ensure that all your funds are withdrawn from the account before proceeding with this step, as Binance requires a zero balance to allow account deletion. After confirming that your account balance is zero, you need to clear any open positions. This means you should cancel any active orders you may have and repay any outstanding margin loans. Additionally, transfer out any remaining balances to another wallet or account. Binance will not permit account deletion if there are active positions, so it is essential to complete these actions before moving on. Once all positions are cleared and you are ready to proceed, return to the Delete Account option. Click on this selection, and you will be prompted to complete a security verification process. This may involve entering a code sent to your registered email or phone number. After successfully completing the verification, you will see a final warning message regarding the consequences of deleting your account. Carefully read this message before confirming your request. After you confirm the deletion request, be aware that Binance may take some time to process your request. It is advisable to keep the confirmation email that you receive for your records, as it will serve as proof of your account deletion. Ensure you check your email for updates regarding the status of your request. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial.